Welcome travelers to this new trip report. I am flying from Stuttgart to Westerland on the German island of Sylt today. This is Terminal 1 of Stuttgart Airport. My flight will leave from Terminal 3. My flight for today is operated by Eurowings on one of their Airbus A319s. At this time, Stuttgart Airport is very empty as the holiday season is over. The airport is nicely designed and very bright. At Stuttgart Airport, you can drop off your bag by yourself. You just have to scan your boarding pass and you'll receive your bag tag with the destination on it. Boarding will start in about 30 minutes, so let's pass the security check. One can find a small duty-free area right after the security check. As my gate is a bus gate, I have to go downstairs. Boarding for my flight started on time, and there are only about 30 to 35 people waiting at the gate, so I guess the flight will be very empty.
Sie dieses zum Rollen vom Start bis zur Landung in Ihrem Handgepäck. Verstauen Sie Ihr Handgepäck in den Gepäckfächern über Ihnen oder unter Ihrem Handluggage for taxi, takeoff and landing. So your hand luggage in the overhead bin above you or under the seat in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, we kindly ask you.
As I already mentioned, the flight is very empty. That's nice because there are a lot of free seats.
Dann Richtung Kassel vorbei in Hannover über Hamburg zu unserem Zielflughafen. Ich hoffe, Sie fühlen sich bei uns wohl an Bord und darf Ihnen von meiner Seite jetzt schon einen schönen Flug wünschen. The departure easterly direction and now it's Kassel, Hannover and Hamburg, our destination airport. I hope you'll be fully comfortable on board and I wish you now a nice flight.
Wieder öffnen können. Ihr Seatbelt can be fastened and unfastened like this. Dieses Flugzeug hat 8 deutliche kennzeichnete Notaufgänge, die mit Rutschen ausgestattet sind. 2 im vorderen Bereich, 4 über den Tragflächen und 2 im hinteren Bereich. Fluchtwegmarkierungen am Boden führen Sie zu diesen Ausgängen. This aircraft has clearly marked emergency exits. All exits are equipped with slides, 2 in the front, 4 over the wings and 2 in the rear. Escape path markings will guide you to these exits.
There is Wi-Fi on this Eurowings flight and it is also reasonably priced. Even without paying for Wi-Fi, you can open this live map on your mobile device. There are the typical things on board, like a safety card, a magazine and a menu card. Eurowings offers a wide range of food and drinks. Some of the food isn't that expensive either. I ordered a fresh brewed coffee, which costs €4. I am really surprised of the legroom on this aircraft, which is quite good. Since the island of Sylt is not far away anymore, we will soon start our descent.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed in the airport of Sylt, where the local time is 6 minutes past 4 o'clock in the afternoon. For your safety and the safety of the others, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please collect all your personal belongings from under the seat or from the overhead stowages. Extra care should be taken while opening the overhead stowages, as heavy items may fall out, causing injuries. On behalf of the entire crew, I would like to say goodbye. It was a pleasure having you as our guest today. We look forward to welcoming you on board once again. Wish you a nice remaining day here in Sylt or a quick and safe journey to your final destination. Thank you for choosing Eurowings and Eurowings Holiday for this journey.
The airport of Sylt is very small, it almost looks like a small restaurant. There are only 2 baggage carousels in the arrival hall as well. I really enjoyed my flight with Eurowings today, and especially the fact that there were only a few people on board made the flight very enjoyable. Thank you very much for watching, like and subscribe if you want to support my channel. See you next time in one of my next videos.